Well, hello Floria, Chuck here. You asked me to measure the voltage on the output of the battery pack when it's being charged. So let me show you what's going on. So I've got my power supply set at 14.2 volts. I've got the amperage set at 10.2 volts. And I've got my multimeter set to DC voltage. And I've got the ground connected to the ground wire on the output cable, and then I've got the positive on the VCC cable, and then next I'll do the ACC cable. So right now I'm going to and right now the battery pack is set to on, so it's on. So now I'm going to turn on the power supply, and then we're going to start the clock. And right straight away we can see we've got 13.8 volts before the 20-second relay is supposed to start. So that might tell you something's wrong right then and there, because it's not supposed to have any power until 20 seconds. Okay, so now let me turn that off. And then now I'll connect it to the ACC wire. Okay, so now I have the positive wire of the multimeter connected to ACC. And let me turn this on. And same thing, almost within 2 seconds we get 13.8 volts. And you asked me to send you a photograph of the serial number of this, but unfortunately there's no serial number on the battery pack. The serial number is on the box, so I don't know which one is which. But the good news is the serial number is only off by 3 digits, so hopefully that helps you narrow it down. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.